Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 8th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar, and we're starting off on the 4-hour time frame. So yesterday we did have a pretty decent impulsive move to the downside on the euro dollar, but on like the 4-hour to daily time frame, it definitely didn't break structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level like we would expect to see if this really was going back down in a big way. But instead, it looks to me like high, low, high, low, high. It looks to me like it's still going up. If this really is the end of an ABC correction, which it looks like it is, then it should go all the way back up and make new highs. So unless we get a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level, I would definitely be looking for longs on shorter time frames. So going down to the 1-hour time frame, I'm definitely bullish. I mean, it personally, it could just keep on going up from here. Maybe it will make more of a three-way pullback. I kind of hope it does because that would lead to a very clear entry if we had, like a one, two, three-way pullback like that. Either way, I would be watching my Fibonacci levels very closely if it does go back down. I personally wouldn't be trying to short it. I personally would only be looking for longs because it doesn't have to go down again. It could just keep on making higher highs and higher lows. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.